Leo from BEFORWARD Japan, and today I'm here to introduce you a famous Japanese skate truck. Today we have the Suzuki Carry truck. It's a very strong, compact, and useful for heavy load capacities for your hardware. So here there is a side, you can see it's a very compact truck. I have here the view of the front. There's only two people, so the driver's seat and the passenger seat. Manual, dashboard. It's pretty much everything you need to do your work. Here's the side. The load capacity is 350 kilograms load capacity, and as you can see, you have a kind of a lot of space on it. As you can see here in the back, since it's a very compact and truck, you can just open to load, and you can also open the sides. You can open all the sides of it, of the carry part, and put the things up inside to load your carry truck. It's very easy to close, strong. Here in the front, the drive seat. Open. Let's get inside. Since manual is everything you need, you can sit comfortable to do your work, drive. Manual, yes, everything you need in a lightweight truck. Nice. Let's turn on the engine. Nice. Pretty good. If you're interested in buying this skate truck or other skate truck, you can send an inquiry to top@BEFORWARD.JP or check the description below. There is a link to our website BEFORWARD.JP. You can also check local offices. So maybe there's a local office close to you where you can go visit and buy and even choose the car you want and import to our country. And don't forget to ring the bell. Subscribe to this channel, and then you'll be notified for the next videos. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.